Install iOS 27 theme on Xiaomi without MIUI file. Permanently applied, no reset to the default theme. Home screen liquid glass clock widget. iOS 27 icon pack. Transparency control center. Settings UI. Let's install. Theme name in China store. Get my backup file and description to install on global devices. Double tap to custom. Lock screen widgets. Lock screen wallpaper custom. Open theme app. Customize theme screen. Lock style, then custom. Wallpaper options. Change color, lock screen wallpaper. Import your wallpapers. This option import original image. This option import background removed image. Depth effect wallpaper active. This option custom lock screen clock color. Custom text under battery widget. Change date to English. Backup in description, get and install via backup and restore features if you don't know how to do it. Watch tutorial video. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.